We ordered this steel bed frame. It's king size. Let's take it out of the box, put it together so we can check it out. All right, so here it is out of the box and assembled. It honestly is so easy to assemble that I just kept on going. So when you take it out of the box, there's three main things. There's going to be the end pieces. There's going to be the long slat supports. There's three of them, one on each side and one in the middle. And then there's going to be all the little slats. So again, it's very straightforward. The only thing that I could note on this is that you need to be kind of an illustrative assembler. What I mean by that is there's not a lot of words. It doesn't walk you through the steps with words. It walks you through the steps with illustrations. So you visually have to understand this and put it together. But it is very straightforward and very easy to do as long as you just read it or look at it. The other thing I would note on this is tighten it down. It even says that in the instructions to tighten it down. You know, it is a bed. You may be performing adult activities in the bed. You know, whatever circus act you're doing, it may squeak if you don't tighten it down. So it actually says in the instructions to tighten it down very tight. Don't strip the bolts out tight, but, you know, tighten it down really nice and tight so that way when you're moving around in bed, it doesn't squeak. But I mean, so far it seems to be a very sturdy frame. Seems like we're going to love it. So now what I'm going to do is put the new mattress that we got on here and let you see how that goes on. All right, so this is the mattress on top of the frame. This is a foam mattress. It's actually kind of a hybrid mattress. It's foam and spring, but it does not need a box spring with this frame because the frame has enough slats to make it nice and sturdy. We got on there, moved around, and it feels nice and sturdy. There's no problem with it. So I definitely agree that, you know, you don't need a box springs with this frame, and it holds foam or spring mattresses or whatever just fine. And I'll let you see more about the frame this way. It's got supports in the middle, of course, but it's nice and sturdy. We moved around. It doesn't slide around on the concrete floor. This is painted concrete, so it's not carpet. It would be equivalent to kind of like tile or anything like that. It does not move around. It's got plastic feet on the bottom, so it really kind of grips the ground pretty good. It doesn't move. I mean, you can drag it from left to right if you need to, but when you're on there jumping around, moving around, the bed does not move. Plus, it wasn't squeaking anything. I mean, we didn't go crazy on it, but we did jump around and test it out, and no squeaking so far. So hopefully this review was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it, and y'all take care.